3, 2, 1.
What keeps your drinks cold in a car? The answer is C, ice. Which star is famous for having rings? The answer is C, Rigel. Which process breaks down glucose to produce ATP? The answer is B, glycolysis. In 64 AD there were terrible fires in Rome. Which Roman emperor was busy playing his fiddle while the fires were burning? The answer is B, none of the emperors. The periscope is a tube with prisms allowing a view to the surface. Which one of these classes of submarines doesn't have a periscope? The answer is D, Virginia class. What is the name of the iconic Adidas shoe featuring 3 stripes? The answer is A, Superstar. Which river has the highest waterfall by volume? Victoria Falls. The answer is A, Zambezi. What would happen if the screw is loose on a bicycle's tire? The answer is C, it might fall off. What is the name of the condiment made with the seeds of plants of the genus Brassica? The answer is B, mustard. Which item is used to measure ingredients while baking? The answer is B, mixing spoon. Which is the tallest mountain range? The answer is C, Himalayas. Paleontologists are scientists who study evidence of past life on Earth. Which method do paleontologists most likely use to determine the forms of life that existed millions of years ago? The answer is D, examine fossils record. Migration is when animals travel from the north to Texas during what segment of time? The answer is C, winter. Who was the commander of the Allied forces during D-Day invasion? The answer is D, Montgomery. What shape has a perimeter of 2 pi for a circle with radius r? The answer is C, circle. In the human body, what do you call the intersection where the paths for air and food cross? The answer is C, pharynx. All living things need energy to survive. What is the primary source of energy for all living things? The answer is B, the sun. Who was the Japanese Shinto deity associated with the sun and the Emperor of Japan? The answer is A, Amaterasu. What is a level usually used for? The answer is D, checking balance. Which object is non-living? The answer is B, bicycle. Which planet in our solar system has the shortest day? The answer is A, Mercury. What creatures does the mariner watch swimming in the sea beyond the shadow of the ship in the rhyme of the Ancient Mariner? The answer is B, water snakes. What is the fruit of a date palm? The answer is C, dates. Which of these is a Polish beer brand established in 1629? The answer is D, Tyskie. Which sport uses a hurdle? The answer is C, athletics. To which of these geographical areas are hummingbirds indigenous? The answer is B, North and South America. Who developed the transcendental meditation technique? The answer is A, Maharishi Mahesh Yogi. What was the nickname of Jacopo Robsti 1518-1594, an Italian artist, often compared to Furioso? The answer is B, Tintoretto. Most hormones are produced by which human organ system? The answer is B, endocrine. Which vegetable has spores rather than seeds and is commonly found in Asian cuisine? The answer is C, bamboo shoot. What is the world's largest country by area? The answer is A, Russia. What movement does Starry Night belong to? The answer is A, Impressionism. What is Hank Williams Jr.'s nickname? The answer is D, Bosphus. What is pasta from Italy often served with tomato sauce and meatballs? The answer is C, lasagna. Which country is famous for the Great Barrier Reef? The answer is C, Australia. Among the servants of the Red King in the Dark Tower, there are bird-like creatures that can assume a human form. What are they called? The answer is A, Taheen. Who was the first person to travel in space? The answer is A, Yuri Gagarin. All of the following might be found on the natural satellite orbiting our planet excluding what? The answer is A, H2O. The main characters from the movie Say Anything are Lloyd and Diane. What are their last names? The answer is A, Dobler and Court. In the USA, Black Friday, the day after Thanksgiving, is one of the busiest retail shopping days of the year. What neologism refers to the Monday immediately following Black Friday? The answer is A. Cyber Monday. Who won the Heisman Trophy in 2019? The answer is A. Joe Burrow. Which ocean contains the Great Barrier Reef, the world's largest coral reef system? The answer is B. Indian. In a completely cooperative relationship, each organism benefits equally. Which sequence lists these relationships in order of increasing cooperativeness? The answer is C. Predation, parasitism, commensalism, mutualism. Who described cells as the building blocks of life? The answer is A. Robert Hooke. Which author wrote Tarzan of the Apes? The answer is A. Edgar Rice Burroughs. What kind of cracker is commonly topped with lox and cream cheese? The answer is C. Goldfish. She wrote her only bestseller novel Bedridden with a broken ankle only for her amusement, keeping it secret from her friends. Who is she? The answer is C. Margaret Mitchell. What is a microwave oven used for? The answer is C. Heating. Which iconic sitcom revolves around a group of friends in New York City? The answer is A. Friends. Which instrument is known as the king of instruments?